Teacher! Teacher! I beg you, look upon my son. Please, please help him. For he's my only child. I begged your disciples to cast it out, but they could not.
O faithless and perverse generation. How long am I to be with you and bear with you? Bring your son here.
Seems to be better.
Face has been healed too. Wonderful.